How to use Lyft Driver Support Hotline. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Lyft Driver Support Hotline. So to use the driver support hotline, you just need to follow the steps. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and log into your Lyft Drivers app. Unfortunately, I do not have a driver's account, so I cannot show you the steps. So basically what you have to do is, this is going to be located somewhere here. So you need to go to the help settings and then tap on support and safety in the main menu and get help. Now tap the contact us at the bottom of the page. Click the contact support button on the bottom of the page at the lyft.to/safety. Then you could go ahead and contact the Lyft for help within safety incident or citations or service animal policy violations or profile and accounts or an app issue. So this way you'll be able to use Lyft Driver Support Hotline. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.